By Clyde's bonny banks, where I sadly did wander, among the pit heaps as evening drew nigh, I spied a young lassie dressed in deep mourning, weeping and wailing with many a sigh. I stepped up beside her and thus did address her, "Come tell me the cause of your trouble and pain." Sobbing and sighing at last did she answer, "Johnny Murphy, kind sir, was my true love's name. 21 years of age, full of youth and good looking, to work down the mine at high Blantyre came. The wedding was fixed, all the guests were invited. That calm summer's evening, young Johnny was slain. The explosion was heard, all the women and children, with pale anxious faces they hasted the mine. When the truth was made known, the hills rang with their mourning. 210 young miners were slain. Now sweethearts and wives, and sisters and brothers, that Blantyre explosion they'll never forget. And all ye young miners that hear my sad story, shed a tear for the victims who were laid to